Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today I'm super excited for this product right here. Mystery product. No. It is this guy right here. So this is from, I'm not sure how to say the name. I think Gurds. It's a kitchen utensil holder. So, made out of steel, solid steel there. I'm not sure what grade of steel, but it's clearly steel. It may be stainless, I'm not sure. I'll try to find out for you guys. So, it looks like you just kind of just like you'd expect. Just like that. Wash your dishes or whatever, you toss these in there. Sorry if it's clunky. And then it drains out. It's got some good drain holes on the bottom. As you can see, drain holes there, drain holes on the side. But yeah, there you go. This is the kitchen utensil holder from Gurds. I like it. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.